This is New Age Care's demonstration videos, and right now we are doing some dab pens, and specifically I have the Magneto and the Evolve Plus. So those are two different types of dab pens, and I'll show you why they're different. First off, I'm going to talk about charging these. Both of them are the same with the charging. You're going to use what they give you. I wouldn't use any other type of cord because of it could overheat the battery or break it. It could not charge it right. Anything could happen with it. So try and keep this around. I always make sure that you have the teeth up. If you do a teeth down, you could mess that up as well. So be careful. So teeth up into the back right underneath the Yocan sign. And then there'll be this little red light. So you're gonna have that little red light probably an hour or two, and then it'll turn off. If it stays on for longer, I would keep it charging or possibly take it into someone to see if it might be a little bit just off, not working right. Another thing is these are kind of difficult to clean. So what you need is going to be probably, you can get the 420 formula, or you could use, I like to use the alcohol and just a Q-tip or a cotton swab, and you take it, and I clean every little piece that sticks together. So the good thing about the Magneto is that it is magnetic, so that's the good part about it, but it can actually get kind of sticky around every area. So in there's a nice coil that is pretty deep in there. And what I like to do with these is I like to just soak it in the alcohol. You won't be able to get the Q-tip all the way down in there, so you're just gonna have to be careful with that. Soak it in the alcohol and then keep it drying for about a day or two, because otherwise you're gonna be inhaling the alcohol. Don't be doing that. That's 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll see a little light right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll blink again and tell you it's off. So I like to make sure that it's off every time I pack it, because you can run into problems if it's on. Nice thing about this Magneto is you have a silicone dish on the bottom to store for when you're on the go. And then the magnetic part. And this also comes with a dabber, which is really nice, because then you don't have to bring around another dabber, so you can pick up your concentrate with. So I like to just take the dabber. It has a nice little pick on the tip too. Grab your concentrate and you put it directly down onto that coil. It's not really a coil. There's a coil and it's covered with a top, and that actually makes it more of a chamber type of feel to it. So it's actually for more beginners or people that don't like a really heavy hit. So that's really nice. So it's easy because then you don't have to have extra parts to it. So you actually just have that dabber with it, and it just sticks together, so it's not as hard to take apart. With the Magneto is very different than the Evolve when you hit it. When you hit the Magneto, you're gonna wanna hold it for about 2 seconds and then put your mouth to it and keep holding that button until you're done with the inhale. With the Evolve, you're gonna wanna hold it for around 2 seconds and then hit it. I would actually let go of the Evolve button way before I would let go of the Magneto button. It's really up to your preference as to which is going to be better for you and how big of a hit you're going to want to do. For me, I like to take big hits, but I also have kind of baby lungs, so I also kind of try and take smaller hits but more often. They're both really great products. It's just really up to you and how you really want to medicate, if you want a little bit lighter of a hit or if you want a heavier hit, or pack more of a punch. Sometimes I need more of an Evolve one day, and sometimes I need a Magneto some days. The main difference about the Magneto and the Evolve is the Evolve screws everywhere. So that's where we run into some problems, is why we moved to our Magneto as well, so that we have options for people that do not have a lot of function in their hands. So big thing about both of these, with the Magneto, to clean it's a little bit more difficult. You kind of just have to drop the coil into some rubbing alcohol, but with the Evolve Plus, I really like that you can clean it. All you have to do is take a Q-tip and your alcohol and swab around here, around the inside of this part, around your other parts here, and screw that back on, and it should be less sticky. When it is sticky, you can't get it apart. We run into a lot of problems and we break Evolves that way, and then you won't be able to use your product. One of the main things about these is that you can put on your cartridges as well. So we do run into problems when we have like cartridges or batteries like this, that they just don't take all the product that you need. So what you need to do is take off your top part to your Evolve or your Magneto, works on both, and just put it directly to your battery and you're good to go. Packing the Evolve is a little bit different than packing the Magneto. You actually need to take a dab stick and put your product directly onto the coils. Like so. Drop it in there. Be careful as to how much you put in there because it can bubble up on the top part and come out the top, and that will get all over your Evolve and it will get super sticky. All right, so good to go. And hold. And exhale. I like this because it's an easier hit, bigger hit, and this one's softer, so you're actually gonna be able to take it in for longer, and actually it's gonna be better on your lungs. If you want a heavier hit or pack more of a punch, you're gonna want more of an Evolve. So it's really up to you. If you have any questions, you can come to New Age Care and ask your patient consultant.